The importance of vehicle maintenance before the holidays. While the holidays are a time for joy and celebration, they can also bring about more traffic and congested roads. As a result, it's crucial to check your car's condition before starting any vacation road travels. Brake repair is a part of regular vehicle maintenance that is especially important now. The importance of vehicle maintenance. For your automobile or truck to be safe and reliable, proper vehicle maintenance is crucial. Regular maintenance can increase your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency while also reducing the likelihood of failures and expensive repairs. Maintaining your car can also increase its lifespan and preserve its worth. Regularly checking and replenishing your car's fluids, such as engine oil, transmission fluid, and coolant, are some essential parts of vehicle maintenance. Additionally, you should routinely check your car's brakes, tires, and other components to make sure everything is in good operating order. The role of brake repair in vehicle maintenance. The most important safety component of your car is its brakes, since they let you slow down and stop your car safely. Therefore, it's crucial to check that your brakes are in good condition before starting a long road journey during the holidays. If your brakes aren't working properly, you can find it difficult to stop your car quickly, which can be risky in heavy holiday traffic. Brake troubles might also result in additional problems like worn tires or harm to the brake system. It's crucial to have your brakes inspected and fixed by a licensed mechanic before the Christmas season in order to prevent these potential issues. This may entail checking the brake pads, rotors, and other parts, and replacing any that are worn out or broken. The consequences of neglecting brake repair. You could endanger yourself and others if you put off having your brakes fixed before the holidays. As was already noted, having bad brakes can make it harder to stop your car quickly, which can be risky in heavy holiday traffic. Neglecting brake maintenance can also result in other issues like worn tires or brake system damage. If your car breaks down while you're driving on vacation, these problems can be expensive to fix and ruin your vacation plans. Furthermore, it's occasionally against the law to put off brake maintenance. For instance, if your brakes aren't operating properly, you might be breaking one of the several state regulations that mandate that cars be in good working order. The benefits of proper brake repair. Repairing your brakes before the holiday season can allow you to drive more reliably and safely. Your car can stop more swiftly and easily if your brakes are working properly, which might be crucial in heavy holiday traffic. Repairing your brakes can also assist avoid other issues like worn tires or brake system damage. This can help your vehicle last longer and save you money on expensive repairs and downtime. In conclusion, regular vehicle maintenance, such as brake repair, is crucial to maintaining your car's dependability and safety over the Christmas season. Before starting a road trip, have your brakes inspected and serviced by a licensed mechanic to ensure a safer and more enjoyable journey.